guys, today we're gonna get the drone.
Yeah!
You want to use it today?
What are we going to get out there? And Chubby?
Train. The train.
Not train! What train are you talking about?
Train.
We're getting a drone!
Train.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Will come with me.
Me.
Huh? Okay, let's go. Unbuckle. Unbuckle. Come on, ate. Fix your hair a little bit, anak.
Today we're gonna go to Bunnings to buy.
Office Works.
Okay.
And so we're at Office Works. We're going to get the drone today. Yeah.
The train.
That's okay, come on. Going to come in with my cheeky girls.
With the two daughters.
With my two cheeky girls. Let's go. Hello, how are you? Just going to get a order. Cheeky you.
What was the last time?
Oh, come here, anak. I think here's the drone.
That's a big collect.
Yeah.
Just for the Mavic Mini.
It's a mini. That's really a mini.
Lovely. Do you want it in the box or do you want just the
We
item?
got the Mavic Mini here. Ah, I'm excited.
Want to try? Try, Daddy?
Oh hey, what did we have? What did we have out there? Balu. Mami pa. Balu. Ah! Sabi. Ah, aray. Okay. I'm excited to see the box.
Go try it now.
Got the Mavic Mini.
Daddy, I could try it now.
So yan, so wala kaming license. This is only for recreational use.
Daddy,
I'm a Mavic Mini!
Daddy, go try.
I think we got this one a few days ago. Like it. Yeah, we have the aircraft, flight battery, and the remote control. Ayan. This only weighs 249 grams. Ultralight. In Australia, according to their regulation, if it's under 250 grams, we don't need to register the drone. If it's above 250 grams, then we have to register the drone. Paano ba? Tape pala. There you go. Open it. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. There's the drone. Grab it with your hands. So we got the controller. So that's it when you take it out from the plastic. I think that's the antenna. And that's the controller. Hopefully hindi malaglag to. So guys, nandito na kami sa site. Nung pinag-crash yan ng drone. That's the sky house on top. Yun. And then the drone crashes on this side. Kasi
Yes. Daddy, makuha ka mo. Daddy, found it!
I found it!
Is it? Where's your phone?
Yeah, I found it! Found it! It's
The
wet.
propeller's still intact.
The propeller is still there. It's wet. I believe it's still working. I had a feeling it's still working. So, I found it there. Medyo pababa sa hills niya. Tama yung Find My Drone. Find My Drone is good. So, if you have a drone, when
you lost your drone,
it, GMT mo. Find My Drone app dun sa Fly My Drone nila na app. Nakita mo dun. So follow that one. It's really reliable. So we found it. That's
it's
where
14 hours.
14-hour missing duration. So that's where we park on the side of the road. There's a fence here though. So all of these are bush. So I'll just follow the track. So we'll cover this one. We'll see. We'll charge this one. And luckily, hindi kinuha ng kangaroo. Yeah. Okay. So we're going back to the sky house and then we'll start the day again. Okay?
Yay!
Yeah, it's good. Find my drone. Find my drone. Yeah. And GNT. So we found, what's the name of the drone ate? Mini Andrew. If you can see that from that sky house there in the middle of the video, I went down the hill and then I saw a wire, so I went back up again. Anyway, thank you for the DJI Mavic Find My Drone and YouTube. And yun, I learned GMT mo lang. Yeah? I crashed my DJI drone first time flying. My goodness. Oh my, yeah. So I felt sorry for Mini Andrew, but
Wala na siya ng loob last night.
No, yeah, but it's much important to go back to your family. I thought I will only play with the controller, but not.
Ay, Daddy, no! No, Daddy! Jeez!
But unfortunately, we have to do it one more time.
No! Daddy!
Look, we'll show it to them. Sigaw kayo na sigaw, hindi nyo naman lang makita.
Daddy!
So ayan siya, pakita mo ba kami kasi? That's the unsealed road. That's what we call the unsealed road here. So, para sa dirt road. Hindi man dirt. So yun, it's not wired pala. Yung mga fence dito, yung fence doon is not wired. So I did try to use the yung stick with the tawag mo ron, yung panghawak ng lutuan. Well, it's not really a good one. It's not recommended. Don't use that, but So I went onto that area. I had a big feeling that that's on that area. Well,
Okay,
found
going back
to the sky house. And it's a nice, beautiful day, but it's cold and windy. So we're here at the sky house. It's actually on top of the, I think we call it Middle River.
And here's the fire!
So yeah, so we're entering sky house. It feels like you're not entering to something, but that's the sky house there. See?
Sky house!
Lifetime private retreats. It's beautiful, beautiful. The initial pagpasok niyo pa lang when you just come in
We're
here.
going to the villa!
The view is absolutely stunning. Beauty, that's the villa.
He's back! Hi, Daddy!
Bye. Good. Bye. See ya.